Greetings, my committed curveballs. Today we are doing this fall into autumn look. I figured that because it is now September, I had better put away all the bright, vivid colors and try to dive into something a little bit more autumn, more fall, more neutral, back to school, wearable, as wearable as I can get it. I'm also coming off of a 2-week hiatus because I have been suffering from some kind of horrible eye infection. If you want to see how I got this look using the products that you already own, I mean, I'm sure you've got greens, yellows, oranges in your arsenal. So grab whatever you do have and follow along, and let's see if we can achieve this eye look. It is officially September and we are going to be diving into our first fall look of the year. I have my Morphe 35M Boss Mood palette. It's got a whole bunch of different fallish colors in here. It just screams autumn. I've got other products that I'm probably not even gonna bother mentioning because I'm all into doing videos lately on utilizing what you have. So if you don't have this palette, it doesn't matter. If you want this palette, you can get it at Morphe.com. It's relatively cheap. I think it's like $22. But I'm sure if you're a makeup enthusiast, you've got plenty of these colors already. Greens, maroons, purples, browns, orange. Diving right in with the color Stroke of Luck and Express Yourself. There's these two greens here, and I'm gonna start doing the greens in a crease. I'm just gonna start building up some green color. I've already primed my eyes with my e.l.f. 16-hour camo concealer along with my NYX white eye primer. I'm running low on both, so I kind of had to combine them to get a full base. Green with Envy. Here we go. And I'm gonna put this on the outer corner of my eye. Kind of define a shape that I'm going for. And then I'm gonna go ahead and pull it all the way throughout because I am gonna cut the crease and I want that to have a dark, stark contrast. And I'm just doing some circular blending to just build up this color. Once I've got that intensity to where I want it, I want to go ahead and grab the lighter greens, and I'm going to do that right along the edges. I am going to introduce you to my p.louise Basic Brights, and in this one I'm going to be using the orange color, which is called OTT Orange, Hot Orange. So I absolutely love this stuff. It works so well. I'm going to grab a tiny concealer brush. Get a nice sharp cut crease. Now I'm just going to use my finger to blend out the edges here because I'm just doing a 3/4 cut crease. This shade Bright Eyes, this nice orange shimmer, and just place that on the lid. And I mainly want this on the inner portion. Shade Color Persona, and then I'm going to follow it up with Bossy AF. So we're moving from the orange to the cranberry shades. From the center of the lid to the outer corner. going to dig back into that dark olive green and redefine that circular shape that I had originally. Then I'm going to dig into the cranberry shade. Just going to take a clean fluffy brush and just circularly blend the outer corner. My Tarte Sex Kitten liquid liner. Moving on to the lower lash line, I'm going to grab some of this green, and really I'm just mixing into all of them, and on the outer corner I'm just gonna slowly bring that around. So meta, it's like this hukey yellow metallic from Colourpop, and I think it works perfectly with this look. And I think I'm also going to use it as an inner corner shimmer. Place that right in the center of my tear duct area and a little bit under the brow bone. And curl my lashes and apply some mascara. Doesn't really matter what mascara you use, because if you're gonna wear falsies, it's only there to make sure that the falsies blend in with your natural lashes. Okay, I am going to put on my lashes and do the rest of my makeup, and we'll be right back. Okay, so I finished all my makeup, my lashes are on. I know I should have put this at the beginning of my video, but if you don't know me, my name is Lisa. I love doing colorful eye looks, and right now I pretty much like to focus on everything that you already have in your arsenal rather than focusing on product marketing per se. Right now, it's not like I get any kind of kickbacks or PR, so I can't really stay up to date on everything, but I can stay up to date on the looks and duplicating them or replicating them with what I have, and I will be more than happy to show you my take on some of the more popular palettes or the IT products that come out based on whatever I already do own. So if you are interested in that, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and tap the little notification bell so you don't miss any new uploads. I do try to upload every single week. And until next time, stay curvy, stay cordial, and I'll see you guys in a week. Bye!